KDE is a popular alternative to the GNOME desktop. It's available with Fedora KDE, Kubuntu, OpenSUSE, and many other distributions. It's also possible to have both the GNOME and the KDE desktops installed on the same systems and allow users to choose which desktop they prefer. For the KDE desktop, also known as the Plasma desktop, the menus are located at the bottom of the screen. In the lower left is a K menu where I can choose what applications that I want to start. Underneath Applications and System is where I will find a terminal choice. If I open a terminal window, I then have the ability to type commands such as who to see who's logged onto the system. I also have menus which give me the capability to open new windows, also new tabs. Under Edit, I have choices for copy and paste and find. Under View, I can zoom in and zoom out. I also have the ability to set bookmarks and do other settings. If I look at the settings, I can also edit the current profile. From the current profile, I can choose different fonts, primarily through the Appearance tab. I can choose foreground and background colors, and at the bottom, I can select which font and font size that I want to use for this terminal window. Once I've adjusted the fonts, I can continue to type what commands that I choose to do so. The exit command will terminate that particular window. It may be useful to have the terminal as a favorites. So again, from the bottom with the K menu, I have a couple of choices for finding my terminal window. I can use the search for terminal. In this case, it may show up as console with terminal as the smaller terms as a way to start this. Again, exit will leave. And finally, I have the option to come in here and locate the application. And if I right-click, I have the ability to add this to my favorites, or to add it to the desktop, or even to add it to the panel. Adding it to the panel will give me an icon also on the bottom, which I can click on and immediately open up a terminal window.